Hello friends. So as we are familiar with IS activity tracker dashboard which was launched at the time of Fitness Wari. Now today I am going to show you the new features added in this activity tracker. Okay. So we are at the link. Just open it, connect with your Strava. Okay. So put all your credentials, authorize it. All these things we are familiar. Okay, see, this is the new feature. Your profile picture, what you have in Strava, it is getting added at the right side. See, my activity is 886, 1296 total. Okay, these are the headers: total ride, then total run distance, elevation, everything you can compare. Total walks, activity type is walking. Total swim, total commutes includes walk to your work, run to your work, and cycle to your work. All those are comes under commute. So 554 here is showing. Again we have added hikes, how many hiking you did, then how many indoor activities you have did. So around 7 categories getting added: ride, run, walk, swim, cycle to work, hike, and indoor category. Okay, so let's just click on the left side top. Okay, so here there are headers like home, we visited. Now my activity. Okay, my activity, it is getting loaded. These are my activities. So as we know, okay, till yesterday, all my activities. Today I have not logged any activity in Strava, so all my activities you are able to see here. Okay, same way you can see your activities. Then the third thing is challenge. So what are the recent challenges? Now we finished the Fitness Wari challenge and we moved to IS Monsoon challenge. So the challenge starts from 1st July to 30th September. July, August, September, 3 months data. So here are the categories: total 29 days, perfect. Then total hours, indoor hours, this much I did, cycling this much, running 0, walking excellent for me, 144, as I am preferring all the indoor things. Yoga, Surya Namaskar, and all other comes indoor. Walking separately, tracking. In this way you can change the color. Click on top, click on here. Okay, then the fourth one is the leaderboard we have added. That is most recent feature. Okay, recent feature. Now you can check as per the category wise for the challenges. Right now we are in monsoon challenge, so ride wise who is at the top. In this way you'll get run category, you will be see walk category, you are able to see indoor hours, who is the topper. In this way you are able to see. So these are the categories, you can check where you are. Indoor where, okay, I am in first 10 position, excellent for me. So I need have 9 more people in front of me, so that I will be in top 5, top 3 very soon. So in that way you can compare, you can track your things. Okay, so these are the things. Home we visited, then my activity we visited, challenge we saw, we are in monsoon challenge, 3 months challenge. Leaderboard, you can track where is your position and how much you have to cover. Category wise you can track, cover in this way. So these are the excellent features what we have uh, in our dashboard or fitness tracker or anything. Now no need to go to a specific application tracker Strava to log all the things, to collect, to extract how many runs, how many walk, how many swims you did, put into Excel sheet, then match. Now everything you will be getting into this IS activity tracker. Just click on the tracker, connect your Strava, everything will pull back here in a very good statistical format. You are able to see, you can share with this on social media, inspire all other new members who recently started, because numbers means a lot for your improvement. So for any questions you can reach to us, any of our core team, admin team, or our social media. You can raise your questions, put your positive feedback, share this tool to entire globe. Everybody who are using Strava, they can join this club and inspire millions. So this is Giriraj. Thank you so much. I'm from Indo Athletic Society. So keep pedaling, keep running, walking, stay fit, stay home, and inspire million. Use this tracker, share this tracker. Thank you.